The crypto market entered a correction phase after a bull run in January, but it tries to stay as stable as possible, even despite regulators seeming to declare a new war. At the same time, the hype around artificial intelligence keeps growing and bleeding in cryptocurrencies. AI-focused crypto tokens are soaring in price, vastly outperforming Bitcoin and other majors. Hi, I'm Eleonora, product owner at Study, and I'm here to tell you the major crypto news of the week. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell below, and let's start! It's no secret that crypto markets are always fueled by trends. Seriously, crypto fans are amazing with their ability to jump on any trend as fast as possible. So when the artificial intelligence chatbot ChatGPT has become viral, the demand for AI-focused crypto projects has risen dramatically. Some of such tokens like Fetch AI and SingularityNet have surged by over 20% in a single day. The latter managed to grow by as much as 744% in a month. As a result, some big crypto players turned their attention to the new opportunity, like Tron DAO, which has committed $100 million to an artificial intelligence development fund. The project's goal is to integrate AI into its payment platform, oracles, and investment management services. It will also focus on creating AI-generated content. However, developers offering further use cases are also free to apply for funding. By the way, a recent report from Messari shows that Tron saw impressive usage growth in the final quarter of 2022. Average active daily addresses increased by about 18%. There are now over 40 million Tron wallets worldwide, making it one of the fastest growing blockchains. Average daily transactions surged by over 22%. This means that the coin has become volatile soon, so don't forget to track its price movements. But let's go back to artificial intelligence. The price of Near protocol grew by about 6% in 15 minutes, simply because the company tweeted AI is near. Did you get it? The project representatives just reminded us that Near can empower next-generation AI use cases, and investors immediately rushed to buy coins. Such rapid price growth evoked plenty of jokes in the community. Like, do you know the only thing needed to get to the top is the AI hashtag in a tweet. And here is a valuable idea for the new FTX CEO. John Ray can simply rebrand to FTX AI and can be fully solvent by the end of the day. Okay, jokes are jokes, but the truth is that Bitcoin and Ethereum are resting in coma compared to the price surge of most AI-focused tokens, like Ocean, Ally, and AGIX. But are these tokens a good investment? Well, we remember the NFTs bubble bursting and now can just hope that AI projects will avoid it. Only time will show. What we can do now is never forget to do deep own research before investing in any new asset. By the way, let's take a closer look at the multi-talented ChatGPT chatbot which put the internet on fire. This is for those of you who have been sitting on a desert island since November and finally regained access to the internet. So, ChatGPT was launched by San Francisco-based AI research company OpenAI in November 2022. It can do pretty much everything, like solving math equations, writing music in any genre, generating reports, translating content, and even debugging code. Please pay attention, the chatbot can generate jokes too. Hopefully your Tinder conversions will skyrocket now. If you suddenly wonder what the information about the chatbot is doing in the crypto news, then all for sake of its prediction about Bitcoin. When asked about its price, ChatGPT admits that it is impossible to predict the exact price of Bitcoin by the end of 2023, as the crypto market is highly volatile. But, based on the data available, ChatGPT says that BTC is likely to trade within a range of 50,000 to 100,000 by the end of 2023. That's very optimistic, but we enjoyed it, especially taking into account that the prediction happened even before Bitcoin's glorious run last night. But right after considerable growth in January, the market situation hasn't been very airy-fairy. As expected, the market started correcting. Just like most altcoins, BTC was trading in the narrow price range over the past 2 weeks. For BTC, it's from $21,500 to $23,000. As a result, Bitcoin's volatility dropped by 23%. For ETH, the drop was about 17%. The crypto overall market cap managed to gain a foothold above the 1 trillion mark. Slightly disappointing news also came on St. Valentine's Day. Consumer prices in the US increased at an annual rate of 6.4% in January, above analyst predictions of 6.2%. This was because of an increase in the price of 10% of gasoline and oil futures, a bad luck gift for traders. Interestingly, but crypto remained relatively stable, unlike stocks. Last weekend, Bitcoin also had its highest level of million-dollar transactions since November. It's likely that BTC whales were buying when the price of the first crypto corrected to $21,600. But not all whales were buying. On the 8th of February, an unknown dormant fat cat withdrew 412 bitcoins from the wallet on which they had been lying since September 2012. This was the first transaction in almost 11 years. The dude made a profit of $9.57 million, as at the time of purchase, BTC cost was just $12 a piece. Today, the good thing is that BTC managed to hold the support level at $21,500 and on the night of February 16 surged 11% to over 24,600 on Exma.co. The price of the king crypto goes up even further than expected. If BTC fixes above $25,000, we can finally declare the end of the bear market. Of course, unless the market will be affected by some negative factors, like the current problems with BUSD. Paxos, a blockchain company, announced that the New York State Department of Financial Services ordered it to stop issuing Binance-branded USD stablecoin. The firm said that it would stop doing it on 21st February. In the wake of the regulatory action against its issuer, a squally wind rushes through this traditional stable field. BUSD turned volatile, depending from its rival stablecoin Tether. Traders seem to be migrating from BUSD stablecoin to Tether. Crypto coins corrected on the news about this regulatory scrutiny. PayPal paused to work on its US dollar-based stablecoin. It was to debut already in the coming weeks, but the payments giant has delayed the release so it can understand the changing regulatory landscape. Binance, however, said that it will continue to support BUSD for the foreseeable future. We will see what will happen next, but let's hope that this is not the beginning of a new crusade in our crypto land. The SEC named crypto assets and other emerging technologies as its top examination priorities. What do you think about it? Is crypto going to survive a new crackdown? Write your thoughts in the comments. Okay, now let's finish with some better news. The chatbot was not the only trending thing. Bitcoin's ordinal punks NFTs are also getting a lot of hype. These punks are simply clones of the popular NFT collection called CryptoPunks, but quite costly clones. The most expensive one was sold for 9.5 BTC or roughly $214 and $14,000. Chile's native token rose by 30% after the firm announced the successful launch of Chile's Chain 2.0. Chile's will use the new blockchain to create seamless Web3 experiences for fans. These include metaverse engagement, play-to-earn games, and NFTs. Elon Musk keeps pumping Dogecoin. The meme crypto immediately jumped by 5% right after he joked that he and Rupert Murdoch were discussing it at the Super Bowl. Then the Doge father introduced the new amazing CEO of the Twitter. Well, it's none other than his pet Floki, its Shiba Inu dog. And guess what? Floki grew by 40% while Doge and Shiba by 5%. Well, now that's all for today. See you next week!